Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now this don't look good for the party, and this don't look good for the Prime Minister. Kim Brown Larson is exposing the government, being a member of the government, being a member of the ruling party. Of course, I'm not going to hear what she have to say. And then we'll continue the reason, because some things that should really bring to the public attention is really eye-opening. I want to look and listen.
Good evening, noble councillors and caretakers of the Jamaica Labour Party. I am Kim Brown Lawrence, the sitting two-term councillor for the Brownstown Division in Northwest St. Ann, a seat that has never been won by the Jamaica Labour Party since 1982. It took 36 years for me to single-handedly and barefooted win this seat. I have never had a walk with a party official here. I have never had a meeting with one here for my election, I should say. No, let me not say that. I've never had a walk with an official here. Right? Kim do it. Broke and everything, and she did it. Right? It so happened that 5 years ago, Ruel Reid was sent here as the caretaker, a seat that I applied for. But as they said, I'm not qualified. No problem. They sent someone, I worked with him. It so happened that was the second letter written by one written after that. Anyway, let's leave that. Not qualified, no problem. I'll work with where I am placed. I'll grow where I am placed, right? 5 years ago, the court started from 2019. Every Wednesday, the councillor have to find herself a station, signing in a police book over something she don't know about. Reached out to the party officials in the party numerous times, seeking help to get a lawyer. None of me reach out to the answer. Reach out to our next minister. Take pity upon me and he helped me. Yeah, he helped me with the lawyer 2 times, 5 years ago. 2 times. This is a case that caused me to close business, sell my father dead left van. The retroactive that I receive, I have to use it on lawyer. I have to take time talk, because when I'm angry, I will say things one officer. I use the dead left, the sell a van, for pay a lawyer. 2 van, for pay a lawyer. The business money, pay a lawyer till the lot done. Get a little retroactive, liar. Reach out back to him. An official, nothing, no help, not even a reply. Data sick, reach out, nothing. Oh. General, I come up back. I mean, no. I know that I am the head cornerstone in a Northwest St. Ann constituency. Yes, I'm aware. Because you need this seat to carry it in. If you work under the whole of them, I pressure you. And plus the signals come out again. I mean, no. Me party. When me now left, now go back me. Yeah, man. I go run up and down here.
Now, this is not one thing the way the government can just explain away as people saying things because they are not supporters of the party. Keep in mind, this is a member of the party. When things are being said by the opposition, the government always has that saying to say, well, the opposition is just saying this because they want to be elected. The government oftentimes point out that some of these things being suggested by the opposition are not things that them can actually do. And as stated before, the government said them plan for campaign and merit and achievements. Depending on what is being exposed right now. Kim Brown Larson is saying that she has even reached out to members of the government, members of the party. No help. Now the people must say this is how they treat their own. Especially in constituencies that have not been long supporters of a particular government, but more supporters of a particular councillor and MP, which is how it should be. On the Jamaican island, you have a thing where people support the party and then they tell us they don't know what them MP and what them councillor. You know why that happen? Because they now vote based on the people in them community and do any work in them community. They must vote based on the party where they want to win. Not keeping in mind that the person where you see on a day-to-day basis will not be the Prime Minister. The person who actually deal with things for the community, unless the Prime Minister is your MP, you will not be seeing the Prime Minister for any party, unless something happens. But your councillors and your MP them. So people should have voted in a councillor and an MP that them actually believe have the best wishes for the community in mind, district or wherever. And in this scenario, come like that. It look like the people, as I should point out, the government hasn't won that seat in much years. And she win it. That means the people are in support of it. But she has a way. The government is concerned. She not receive the support. And if she can't receive the support for them type of situation, then how it reflect on even her constituency. How she will receive support for the constituency. The government seems preoccupied and focused on things where other members of society now see. Just like how the people point out to them want to build the airport beside the airport. They even have good road for travel from which part them plan to build a new airport to which part the other airport already there. You now good road for travel to and from those two areas. As close as they might be. So the people must say it's like the government focus on everything else except what they need to focus on. And with members of them own government, I expose them. It not look good. Is the opposition the better party? That is up to the people to decide. We just bring forward the information as it is being presented. And this is what is being said by somebody who is actually a member of the government. Not somebody who is on the opposition or is supporting the opposition or is not in support of the government or is not in support of the Prime Minister. So somebody actually support the Prime Minister, actually support the government. But as the people on a day-to-day basis are saying, especially supporters of the government, them don't feel like them and the government end up on the same page. Even though they are supporters of said government. That don't look good. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as a pass through, well, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is of course for you to live, love, and for you to prosper. And of course for you to stay tuned until the reason again. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts, your comments in the comment section. We can continue the reasoning from there. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. And stay tuned.